Alright, so you can see guys, a lot of food right here to get planted. Welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. Thank you so much everyone for taking me to 8,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you, and please continue to follow me on this beautiful journey. I anticipate your support, and thank you so much in advance. Alright, so it's a little windy. I got some goodies from a farm to plant ingrown, guys. Well, the yams, I'm not going to plant the ingrown because I don't think I would be able to dig the yams when the time comes. Well, I'm not going to say I wouldn't be able to, but I don't want that challenge. I don't think so. So I'm actually going to put the yams in containers. Alright, so just to show you exactly what I got from my dad to plant. The thing about it, I may not, well, I'm going to prepare everything off camera. I may just show you when I'm planting. Yeah, as it is to prepare the soil, the containers that I'm going to use. I may not show you all of that because I got to get moving, and if I'm going to show you, then I'll have to move the camera here, and that's a lot. Alright, but I am still keeping you in the loop. Alright, I'm just going to give you a close-up now of what I have right here. So all of these except for this I got from my dad to plant. So yes, I'm so excited, and I'm excited to take you along with me.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me, no man.
That's what a nice place to live. Sweet Jam.
Of course, God willing, I'll be starting out this baby very soon. Alright, so these are some pineapple suckers. It don't seem like all of them are suckers. Seem like he roots up these ones right here, but this one without the roots looks like a sucker. Yeah. Okay. And I got these yam. I think he said these are white apple, Sylvinson. And which one again? White apple, Sylvinson, and Renta. Yeah, Renta. One of my favorite. These are the sheens and these are cocoa. Right? This is either a banana or a plantain. I am not sure how to differentiate between the banana and the plantain. And these right here are some passion fruits, and these are some potatoes, sweet potatoes, and these look like they're going to dry up. These are some papaya. Maybe not, I'm going to get them in the soil very quickly. Alright. So, yeah, that's it for this bucket. This yam, this is a Chinese yam that I got from mommy. Mommy tasted so good, and she gave me this one to plant, so I'm going to try it. Chinese yam it is. And these are some sugar canes, suckers and eggs that I got from my father as well. And these are bananas and plantain. No, I don't know which is which. Only when they shoot, I'm going to know which is which. And he gave me some finger right here, so he didn't know that I have this okra. So he gave me some of this. These are some cells inside here, and these are some gungo. Yeah, so these are all my goodies that I got to plant. Just imagine the goodies that I got to eat.
Alright, so I'm so excited to go on this journey with you guys. I am actually going to use up around here for that. So I have some soil here, so I have a half a barrel right here that I'm going to put the potatoes in. Guys, these still not sort out as yet, you know, but in time. And then I have another half a barrel around here. So these pineapples are what I had before. I'm also going to plant those. What's in that bag? I think it's soil and manure. Alright, so in the next couple of days, you see around here, it will look completely different. And you will see me planting. So I'm clearing this space right here. I am going to use up as much as I can. But I have one trouble. There's a tree that I need to sort out. So I am going to use up all of this space for planting. I am starting to get blooms on my cherry tree. Well, they were there, but I mean, they start to open up. Blooms. Some going to open right here. I thought, yeah. So, a few open here. I just need them to stick and stay, that's all. There's a lot more in there. So I just need them to stick and stay. These tomato plants right here, you can see they're not doing well. I think it's the heat of the day. So I transplanted these basil near it because they're good companions, and I'm using it as a little shade for them as well. So I add this one right here so as well, using it as a little shade. Well, this one needs to grow up to be a better shade. I should have used a bigger one right here, but anyway, they were around here, so I turned the container. Same with this one. You can see the burn. These look diseased too. Let me pick these off. You can see the burn all written all over them. So that is why they're not looking green and lush. So this basil is here to give this one a little shade and to also enhance its growth, because they make good companions. This one now, it was around here, so I turned the container shifting around this side, so hopefully they'll get some shade. So I hope to give you an update on how these are doing soon. Like, I hope they make progress very soon. Alright, so these sugarcane right here, I am also going to take out some of them to add to those right there. So besides, look at this one. I did not take any from this one, any at all as yet. So I need to take those off, and I maybe take one or two from this, because these are different breeds from what I have over there.
Alright guys, so y'all see this all. Please share with others so they too can come on this journey with me. Thank you so much in advance for that. I appreciate it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk.
Sweet Jamaica, man, and I land that. Me no stop love it.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. come garden with me, no man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam